talk to you.
Is that your son?
Yeah, they can hear you right now.
They can hear you too.
Ooh, I forgot about that.
Is that 1080?
No, it's about $1.50.
Yes, you're getting some good footage here. Hawks are on the move. Sean, he takes his time. He aims. Beautiful floater serve. Almost a lift on the other side. What defense by Greg. Here we go, Spencer gets it over. Can they block it? Yes! All right! Yes, the fans go wild! Sean is back up. He's picking on his target. Floater, short. Beautiful. Yes! Sean's got a run here.
Sean is.
20-13 is the score.
Oh yeah, we can't really see the score.
Beautiful serve into the net. Out of bounds. Yes!
Here comes the
it's
ace.
An acer baser. It's an acer. Almost.
They're not calling it an ace.
Look at this. What is this? His fifth serve?
At least. Well, we'll count them here on the video.
His dance footage. Beautiful. Out. Yes. I think he's got to run. This is number 6 or 7, or is it 28?
I don't know. There's a bunch though.
It's 22 to 10, I think. 13. Oh, that's okay, Shawnee. Way to go, Shawnee. Shawnee.